Creating a custom ringtone for your iPhone using GarageBand is an enjoyable way to infuse a unique touch into your device. Follow these detailed steps to craft a personalized ringtone from your favorite sound. Step 1. Open GarageBand on your iPhone. Launch the GarageBand app from your iPhone's home screen. Step 2. Create a new project. Tap Create New Project and select Audio Recorder. Step 3. Add a new track. In the top left corner, tap the plus button and choose Audio Recorder to set up a new track. Step 4. Import the sound. First, you'll need your desired sound, which you can source from YouTube. To transform this sound into a suitable ringtone format, you'll need to convert it to an MP3 file. Here's how. A. Find your preferred sound on YouTube. B. Use a reputable online YouTube to MP3 converter. Copy the YouTube video's URL and paste it into the converter. C. Follow the converter's instructions to convert the video into an MP3 file. D. Save the converted MP3 file to your iPhone's Files app or iCloud Drive. Step 5. Add the sound to the track. Press the plus button in the track section, select Audio Files, and choose the MP3 file you've just imported. Step 6. Adjust the sound. Drag and resize the sound clip on the track to match the desired ringtone length, usually around 30 seconds. Step 7. Preview the ringtone. Tap the play button to preview the sound as a ringtone. Step 8. Export the project as a ringtone. Return to the main screen by tapping the arrow icon in the top left corner. Press the three dots, and select My Songs. Step 9. Share the project. Hold down the song you created, tap Share, and choose Ringtone. Step 10. Name the ringtone. Provide a name for your ringtone and select the export quality, opt for higher quality. Then, tap Export. Step 11. Set the custom ringtone on your iPhone. Access the newly created ringtone in your iPhone's settings. Navigate to Settings, Sounds and Haptics Ringtone, and select your custom ringtone. By following these comprehensive steps, you'll successfully create a personalized ringtone that reflects your style and preferences. Your iPhone will exude a unique charm that sets it apart.